Hey, man. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is that? Where's that coming from?
Whose grandma's this?
That's my dead grandma.
This guy on a train.
This is the dumb fuck that got hit by the train.
Yeah, she got hit.
Why is your brother looking in two different directions?
He's cross-eyed.
No, he's not. He's not cross-eyed.
Yes, he is. Look. He's cross-eyed.
We got CrossFit. We got cross-eyed. We got cross the train track and died.
Oh, really?
Max, I have a new producer tag for you.